Hi guys, good morning! So we're here right now. We're going to go for a makeup gig and I'm with my assistant, Ate Sarah. We're having our breakfast right now and I hope that you will be able to hear me right now because I'm not using my microphone, but yes, we're going to eat! Tingnan nyo, that's mess. Tapos ito yung food ko. Tapos Choco is like ganda ng ano ko guys. Thanks for my husband for my eyebrows. Done with my 3 clients. So the last one. Hi. Thank you so much for watching, guys.